Well, hi there guys, Mark here. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Hitway Bk6S Pro electric bike. So what we do is just going to run around this lovely electric bike, just run through all the specifications on it, quite a lot to talk about on this bike. And then we'll take it for a little test ride just around here, the country lanes here in Dorset in the south of England. So just check the price on the website this morning. I will put a link in the description for you. These are currently £999. So there's quite a lot of high spec on this bike, so it's good for the money. Comes with a rear hub motor, which is 48 volt with 80 newton meters of torque. All UK legal, 250 watt limited, 15.5 miles an hour. There are your compliance stickers there. It has a 4 miles an hour legal throttle, so all totally legal, this bike, all good in that respect. It's got a Shimano 7-speed gear system with a very slick operation there, works really nicely. So big battery on this, 48 volt 18 amp hour battery. I'll show you that removed in a minute. So you're going to give you a big range, I would say at least 40 miles, probably a lot more if you're conservative with the power. It's got a suspension seat. It comes with a pump, a lock, charger and a multi-tool. Good set of instructions. It took me about half an hour to put this together actually, nice and easy. So lots of torque on this. It's capable of 25 degree hill climbing. So plenty of power to get you at those hills. Weighs in at about 32 kilos as it is now. It's nice that it comes with full length mud guards. You've got a rear rack there to put your panniers on or your bag. It is a folding bike, so I'll show you that now. This is a folding design, this bike, so we just pull the little lever there, open the main mechanism, and the bike will simply fold in two like that. So that's easy. And then just reinstate it. And then for the battery, the seat has a little lever here. Just push the seat up, turn the key, and the battery pulls straight out. You can charge the battery on or off the bike, it's up to you. And then simple to reinstate, just slide it down, clicks in firmly, and then just turn the key, put the seat down, and that's it. Right, so I'm 5'7" with a 30-inch inside leg. I've got the seat up about an inch, so it's nice that it comes with a side stand. So it's got a suspension seat post as well. So I like to have my seat quite high, but I fit this really well. The bars are super comfortable. I love these grips. They're very tactile, but a very comfortable bike. So there's me at 5'7". So if you were a lot taller than me, you'd get on well with this bike, and the seat does go down an inch or so if you're a bit shorter than me. So to turn it on, hold the button for a few seconds, powers it up. Now you can pair it to the Hitway Smart app for security, and it's also got little NFC security cards as well as an extra sort of level of safety. But just press the M button there and that powers it up if you haven't enabled all that security. Really nice colour display there showing you speed, power assist levels. It's also got a walk mode. Lights, you hold the light button for a couple of seconds, puts the lights on front and rear. Nice bright lights. We've got 20x4 fat tyres. Now these aren't the normal sort of really knobbly ones that you get on a lot of these sort of bikes. These are a smoother sort of tread design, so much smoother running on the road, really nice. It does have front suspension with a lockout and preload adjustment. So for this price you're getting hydraulic brakes, which is great. They're Zoom hydraulic brakes with lots of power, lots of modulation at the lever there. That's really good. We have a rear brake light as well. So this suits quite a wide range of riders, around about 5'5" to well over 6 foot. Just walking around the bike. Nice build quality. I've reviewed a few of the Hitways now and they're very good bikes. This rides really smoothly. I like the BMX style bars. You get a little bell with it. It's got walk assist mode. Really nice display there. Decent gears. The zoom brakes work well. Nice, it's got a half twist throttle just to get you going up to 4 miles an hour, which is all legal. So there you go, guys. That's the initial walk round of the Hitway Bk6S Pro. Let's take it for a little test ride, shall we? Okay, Hitway Bk6S Pro. Let's try this out. So we have a convenient side stand that's always nice. So to turn this on, we're just going to hold the power button for a couple of seconds. You can set it with the app and the NFC cards for security if you want, or put in a password. Or you can just, if you haven't done that, you just simply just press the M button and that powers it up. So got a good powerful zoom brakes, got this very, very tactile grips. We've got a half twist throttle, which is 4 mile an hour, UK legal, whole bike's legal. Walk assist mode, lights, bell, really nice colour display there, and decent Shimano indexed gears. So it's going to start off in assist level 1. We've got 3 assist levels. So this is a cadence sensor. That means that when you turn the pedals, it gives you power, as opposed to a torque sensor, which sort of gives you power as you push. So assist level 1, a nice sort of steady 9 miles an hour. Obviously in this assist level 1 you're going to get a big range, probably 60 miles or something like that out of the big battery. So assist level 2 now, that's really good. 6th gear, there's 12 miles an hour. Very, very smooth running, lovely riding position. I love these sort of BMX style bars. So quite a steep hill now. I'm going to put it into assist level 3, top gear. And there's your 15.5, and we are flying up here with no effort whatsoever from me. So as you can see, plenty of hill climbing ability, that's great. Just try the brakes out, front and rear. Yeah, very good. They bite hard. Nice to have hydraulic brakes. This is a really nice bike. I love the bars, and the tactile rubber grips are really nice. Very smooth ride. Front suspension, the big balloon tyres are giving me a nice supple ride. But yeah, top gear. It's a nice cadence in the pedal speed, not pedalling too fast. Top gear at the moment. This is a very enjoyable. Just coming into the spring now in the UK, so it's getting a bit warmer. Seat is suspension, which gives you a bit of give. That's nice. It's a very comfortable seat anyway. This is a very, very nice bike to ride. There's no squeaks or rattles from it. It feels solid. I'd happily ride this for a couple of hours and do 30 or 40 miles on it. Very nice. Right, let's just have a final thought, shall we? So there you go, guys. The Hitway Bk6S Pro folding step-through electric bike. So we just run around the bike. So decent front suspension, gives a nice compliant ride with the lockout and the preload if you need to use those. I like the fact that it comes with lights, front and rear as standard. Very, very smooth running 20x4 fat tyres, they're great. Gives you a nice cushioned ride. Plenty of power from the rear hub motor there, 15.5, 250 watts, UK legal. Big 18 amp hour battery, giving you a good range of at least 40 miles. Comfortable seat with the suspension seat post there, suitable for sort of 5'5" up to over 6 foot. Rear light and brake light, full length mud guards, removable battery, got your rack there. The pedals fold as well, that's good. Zoom hydraulic brakes have plenty of power. There's all your compliance legal stickers, so all good in that respect. So this has a cadence sensor which works well. I like the display here, and the controls all very easy to use. 1, 2 and 3 power assist levels. You've got a walk assist mode which helps you push it up hills. Little bell. So very, very nice indeed. Really like the display there, showing you lots of information. Got your 7-speed Shimano gears, which are very nicely indexed straight out of the box. Nice and easy to put together. Just put the front wheel in, put the handlebars on, put the display on, seat goes in, rack and mud guards, and that's it. Good to go, really. Comes with all your tools, charger, lock and pump. So a good bike for the money, I would say. So please, guys, post your comments down below. Give me a like, share and subscribe, please. And I'll see you in a week or so for another two-wheeled review. All the best, guys, and bye for now.